friends, in this video we shall study about the soil. So soil is a very useful natural resources, and soil is loose material which formed by the uppermost layer of the earth, and the rock material is break down by the weathering process into the small substances that is called the soil, which is support the life, because soil is a very important natural resource. Why this? Soil make a smooth mixture, and it is very good in the fertility power also. As we look at the screen, the uppermost layer of the rocks where they present the smooth substances, that is a useful part of the earth, which is called the soil. And soil formed on the uppermost layer of the earth by the natural conditions. And if we are talking about the composition of soil, so soil composition is divided into the two part. Number one is inorganic components. Actually, in this components we are talking about the minerals and the other substances like the silica, clay and chalk. These are the main part which are present in the soil, and these are good for the soil fertility power. And second one component is organic components. Actually, plants branches, leaves decompose with soil, and the animal waste is dead animal, these are also decomposed with soil and make it so fertile. Actually, it is called the humus, and humus make the soil a smooth substance which is very good for the agriculture and make the soil so fertile and useful. And what is the soil erosion? Actually, soil erosion means the wastage of uppermost layer of the earth, which is called soil. It is called the soil erosion. The many reasons are responsible for the soil erosion. Now we are talking about them. As I already told you, soil erosion is the removable of topsoil by the different agents. So the first agent is running water. Actually, the prime factor of the soil erosion is running water. Wherever the soil is removed, it is deposited elsewhere, and it disturbs the agriculture. It means it is not good for the agriculture. Erosion, why the running water is divided into the three categories. Number one is splash erosion. Actually, the case of convectional rainfall, the heavy drops of water and hailstone pulverized the soil and impact on its erosion. And second one is sheet erosion. Actually, due to the heavy rainfall, the surface fill of water carries away to even surface layer of the topsoil as it moves. And third one is gully erosion, which is also called the rill erosion. Actually, the sheet or slopes is absence of any vegetation, water flow with the force down hills and developing into the canals flow, cutting the steep sides valley as it is runs off. That is called the gully erosion or rill erosion. And the second factor of erosion is wind. Actually, soil erosion, why the winds occurs on extensive flat lands which are subject to a windy dry season. For the part of year, the upper soil surface becomes loose and susceptible to winds erosion due to especially on that area where the lack of moisture like the desert area. So the erosion by wind is also harmful for the soil topmost layer. And the third factor is overgrazing. Due to overgrazing, Wind erosions occurs as the soil divided, the vegetation is directly exposed to the wind. And some other factors are also responsible for the soil erosion, like animals and the trees are also responsible for that, and the man. By the mining and cutting trees, it's harmful for the soil. Its erosion is started by these factors also. So, soil erosion is a harmful things. That is a question, and its answer is conservation of soil. So, what is the conservation of soils? Actually, soil conservation is an effect made by the man to prevent the soil erosion, to retain the fertility of soil. Actually, Indian government start different programs to conserve the soil. In that one is afforestation. It means planted more trees and protect the forest also. Second one is to check the overgrazing, and the third one is constructing dams and bridges, and number last is not the least, improve the techniques of agriculture. It means the modern techniques of agriculture help us to protect the soil. Actually, the old time shifting agriculture, which is a wrong pattern of agriculture, it is very harmful for the soil. So the present time we use modern technique to conserve the soil, which is good for the crops also and make the soil's fertility improve. By the belt of trees surrounding the field, we protect the soil by the wind erosion also. So these are the point to conserve the soil. I hope this part is helpful for you. And the second part of this Indian soil we are discussed in our next video.